In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust page colors in Microsoft Edge using high contrast themes. If you're looking for ways to make your browsing experience more comfortable or simply want to tailor your settings to better suit your needs, you'll find this guide both helpful and straightforward. Let's get started. To begin, you'll first need to open your Microsoft Edge browser. If it's not already on your screen, you can simply locate it on your desktop, your taskbar, or search for it in your Start menu. Once Edge is up and running, take a look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice three little dots stacked vertically. This is your menu icon, and it's your entry point to a host of options that can enhance your browsing experience. Go ahead and click on those three dots. With the menu expanded before you, you'll see a list of options. What you want to do next is select Settings, which you'll find down towards the bottom of this list. Clicking on this option will open up a new page within your browser window dedicated to the various settings you can adjust in Microsoft Edge. Now, cast your eyes over to the left-hand side of this settings page. Here, you'll see a list of categories designed to help you easily navigate the different settings available. Look for the category labeled Accessibility and click on it. The Accessibility section is specifically tailored to help you customize how web content is presented to make it more comfortable for viewing, which is precisely what we're aiming to do today. Once you've clicked on Accessibility, you'll be presented with a variety of options designed to enhance your browsing experience. Scroll through these options until you find one that says, Only apply page colors when high contrast themes are on. You'll notice a toggle button to the right of this option. By default, it may be turned off, but what we want to do here is click on this toggle to turn it on. And there you have it. By enabling this option, you've adjusted your Microsoft Edge settings so that page colors will only apply when high contrast themes are active. This feature can make a significant difference for users who require or prefer high contrast modes, ensuring that colors won't interfere with the clarity of content while browsing. Thank you for following along with this short tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your day-to-day browsing that little bit better. Be sure to explore other settings as well to find what works best for you. See you in the next video.